In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Volleyball Legends on controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I have a controller connected to my PC, and I'm going to be demonstrating how you can play Volleyball Legends using only your controller. Of course, if you are playing on a console, you can also follow the exact same steps. So connect the controller to your PC, or if you are on console, you should already have one connected. This should also work for mobile. And before you join the experience, they actually have all of the buttons listed here. So if you look under controls, you can find them. By pressing the right trigger, aka R2, you will be able to do a bump or a spike in midair. By pressing the left trigger, aka L2, you can do a set or block in midair, and you can dive with the X button. Once it is your turn to serve, click on the screen or press the right trigger on console, click again to choose power, and you can jump and spike the ball. Tilt to change direction of the ball. So all that you have to do once you have your controller set up is to join a private server or a public one. There is no secret to this. I'm going to join a private one because it is easier for me to demonstrate, but you can absolutely follow along by joining a standard server and playing there. When you join, all of the buttons will be set up so you can look around with the right stick, you can zoom in or out, you can move with the left stick and then press all of the buttons once you actually get inside of the game. You can jump with A, as you can see here, and you can tilt your character while in midair. You can press select to hover around elements on the screen, and I'm gonna wait until the round starts to demonstrate a little bit of gameplay. It is simple to do. So join, pick a side, and now you are ready to play. All of the buttons that I described will be available, so you can see that right trigger for bump, left trigger for set, X for a dive, and if you are on the air, they will change accordingly. So you will have spike, block, and set. Super simple to do. You can enable or disable shift lock with Y, and you can play any mode available here using only your controller. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.